Virtual wholesaling. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Problems and Solutions of Virtual Wholesaling. In 2020, virtual wholesaling has adapted and progressed worldwide with the latest technological techniques. It has enabled us to connect with the market area on a wide scale. And even in these hard times, when a pandemic has put humans indoor in exile, not able to go out, people are looking at virtual wholesaling entrepreneurs to help purchase and sell their properties. There is still hope. Virtual wholesaling companies for business and virtual wholesaling companies for business in the whole world are using online references and electronic means such as smartphones, computers, and fax machines for sale and purchase purposes. So if you are a virtual wholesaling beginner and you're looking for strategies to succeed in the field, then stay with me until the end of this video. Virtual wholesaling for beginners. So virtual wholesaling beginners need to learn the new age of the job, dealings, contracts, and electronic means. If you prioritize a sensible life that is pre-planned, organized, and well-structured, then virtual wholesaling is the right job for you. Virtual wholesaling guides you to earn through the latest approaches and methods. You'll learn everyone has different requirements in this area for contracts, document work, and tones. All states, counties, lands, and municipalities are exceptional. You can handle most of the deals with the help of your smartphone, fax machines, and laptop. But remember, you cannot become a virtual wholesaling expert overnight. It's just not possible. As a beginner, you'll need to follow all the rules of virtual wholesaling step by step. And with time, you'll master all of the techniques. Virtual wholesaling step by step. Remember, the more prepared you are as an investor, the better it is. So here's some steps. Identify your aim, your object, and your target. What area do you want to invest in the real estate market? You can do essential research to confirm everything that the property you're planning to invest in is worthwhile. And then make sure to go through the listing sites and understand which location is best and can help you gain profit. Familiarize yourself with a comprehensive overview of the virtual wholesaling process. Then you want to find leads and do marketing. After that, gather information and stay up to date about the areas that are giving you financial growth. Ultimately, your purpose is to invest in growth areas and draw clients' attention to invest in these areas. So get a clear idea of property prices and analyze deals. Get in touch with motivated sellers and then start making offers. Get along with both agents and investors to understand the market and verify the exact value of the property. Coordinate a remote closing and then present your offer to the seller. So hopefully these steps helped. Virtual wholesaling has become a commonplace for investment today. Everything is available online, so you don't need to visit the place. Instead, you can see the place through virtual 3D software, videos, pictures, or just send someone to visit. And then you can speak with the realtors about it and do everything without even visiting the place. That's right. You don't have to go there. Virtual wholesaling has allowed us to enter worldwide markets. Virtual wholesaling market selection. Select a virtual wholesaling market somewhere close to your location where you visit frequently. Then you'll learn about the market property values, investors, and buyers. You will conveniently build your wholesaling list and find people who are willing to invest and sell. Find a list of active wholesalers that are marketing for motivated sellers and try to get on their email list to be notified whenever a new property is up for sale. And that's a secret to virtual wholesaling. The great thing is you don't need a virtual wholesaling degree. You don't need a fancy course. You don't need a resume to succeed. The secret to virtual wholesaling is just to flourish by being keen, by being smart. So if you're energetic, if you have a sharp mind, then you will appear to make tons of money. Your intellectual and knowledgeable mind with the right decision making will soon reward you. So even if you fail a few times, don't let the failure discourage you. Instead, use it as a learning experience. Your ability to endure failure through hardship will allow you to continue working toward success. Virtual wholesaling with no money. One of the best ways to invest in real estate with little or no money of your own is by virtual wholesaling. When you're dealing with your client virtually, you can deal with a little and sometimes no money. In virtual wholesaling, you have an option to negotiate with the seller. If he or she is willing, then half or less than half amount can be paid. Virtual wholesaling strategies can significantly increase your deal flow and your profits, and virtual wholesaling real estate in 2020. The 2020 virtual wholesaling has a few limitations. You can easily embrace new techniques and technologies to earn money. If you can flip contracts in your area, then you can easily flip them in any part of the world. Geography and long distance sellers and buyers are no more. This is not an issue in virtual wholesaling anymore. You can invest in properties anywhere in the world, find mentors and business partners through online networks. Virtual wholesaling tools, tips, hacks, and software have successful careers virtual wholesaling. So you need to learn about the tools, the tips, the hacks, and the software. Here's some ideas. List the price of the property, the rental income, the average return on the rental property. Get a virtual map filter and match neighborhood property values. The software will let you search important criteria, say cash on cash return. Input your mortgage or cash details and get costs return investment calculated, and then get a comparison of rental income, cash flow, cash on cash return, cap rate, monthly expenses, and occupancy rate to help you select a profitable rental strategy. Virtual wholesaling PropStream. As virtual wholesaling business, PropStream app delivers details that no other app can provide. It provides mortgage details, tax information, and tax history for each property. It provides you with property values, rent prices, statistical trends, and analytics. And you can get complete property details with square footage, PropStream, and it can provide you with profitable, comparable property listings available and sold. And you can get all the tax and mortgage information, transaction history, owner, seller details. If you want detailed documents or premium reports, these are also available. So PropStream software displays in all homes, foreclosure process, and pre-closure. And it will provide you with real estate analysis such as the default amount and the type of default. Virtual wholesaling terms and contracts. Terms and contracts are where you have received calls and made some offers. It's when someone has accepted your offer and is ready to move forward with terms and contracts to finalize the deal. This is where the paperwork starts, and the selling party will agree to work with the technology to close the deal. The contracts will be signed, and the best part is digitally with e-signature programs, or you'll just send a mail, a hard copy, signed with prepaid, pre-addressed, and the return envelope. Virtual wholesaling finding buyers. To make your business working, you also need buyers or cash buyers. You can cash simply a transaction, and it can lead to faster closing times and fewer complications. Because with cash buyers, there's no loan approval process, and it eliminates several weeks from the closing timeline. You can find cash buyers who are ready to offer and proceed with a deal right away. A short closing time is beneficial for virtual wholesaling, and subscribers or website visitors will receive a free ebook, $197, How to Build Your Business Credit, Get Loans, and How to Get Virtual Wholesale. That's all for today, guys. I really hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when we make more videos, and comment down below for your suggestions.